Hi everyone, here we've got LENOVO Tab E7 and let me share with you how to clear browsing data on this device. So firstly we have to open our browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now we have to tap, let's say, on this 3 dots icon. Trust me, here we've got 3 dots icon, so let's tap on it and let's enter the history. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously visited websites. Of course you can remove all of them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button next to it, but if you'd like to remove all of them with only one click and much more, just tap on clear browsing data. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And after tapping on advanced, we can also remove media licenses, saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you'd like to remove something, just make sure that it will be marked, just tap on it. So I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. And if you're ready, just tap on clear data. If you're ready, tap on clear again, and as you can see, the history is empty, so it means that we successfully removed not only browsing history but also, for example, saved passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your LENOVO Tab E7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.